Why cycle through Mathura and Vrindavan and reached Gurugram under heavy rain? In Gurugram, Agarwal Dharamshala was kind enough to shelter Bota Bhai, the local kind business, also gave us a tour of street food owned by him. But the long cycling turned my mentor sick and he had to buzz at Azadpur, New Delhi. This week you will witness historical place in Haryana.
मोहित भाई, आपका बिजनेस के बारे में मुझे बताइए थोड़ा। मोहित भाई, हाँ, जो मैं 2 महीने के बाद आपको आऊँगा, प्रॉमिस किया है, वो मुझे बताइए कि क्या करूँगा, कैसे करूँगा। मेरे पास पैसा इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है। आप किस तरह? जी,
बिजनेस में पैसा सब हम लगा के देगा।
हाँ,
हमारा मेन मकसद ये है कि
लेबर वगैरह में
का सपना, हर वर्कर भाई हो, मालिक हो, अपना पैसा हम लगा के देगा, जगह हम देगा, प्रॉपर्टी हम देगा, पूरे औजार हम लगा के देगा।
अच्छा,
और हम आपसे पार्टनरशिप कर लेगा, आधी आधी कमाई।
जी, बहुत अच्छी। हाँ, अगर
आप अपना बिजनेस करना चाहो तो 50 कमाई आपकी, 50 हमारी, पैसा
हाँ,
हमारा होगा
और
मेहनत आपकी।
अगर ये रेस्टोरेंट लाइन का हट के अगर स्कूल के बारे में अगर सोचो तो उसमें भी मदद करेंगे। हाँ, उसमें भी कर देंगे आप मदद। कोई ट्रेनिंग सेंटर हो गया या
स्कूल ट्रेनिंग सेंटर,
हाँ,
जी
जी, हाँ, थैंक यू सो मच। आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा मिलके। और मैंने
बच्चे जो भी कर सकते हैं,
जी,
नौकरी करना चाहे नौकरी,
आप पापा का
हेलो हम लोग जैसे खाने का काम करवाते हैं, उस पर 50% मार्जिन होता है। हम नौकरी भी कराते हैं और उनको मालिक भी बनाते हैं। यदि वो नौकरी करना चाहे तो हम तनख्वाह देंगे, 4 टाइम खाना खिलाएंगे और रहने की जगह फ्री में देंगे। और कोई बच्चा अपना बिजनेस करना चाहे, चाहे 10 साल का बच्चा हो, चाहे 100 साल का बुढ़ा हो, चाहे वो लेडीज हो, चाहे वो जेंट्स हो, चाहे वो अनपढ़ हो, चाहे वो पढ़ा लिखा हो, शर्त है कि उनको कार्य करना
आनी चाहिए।
तो हम उनको अपना बिजनेस करा देंगे। जैसे चाय की स्टॉल लगवा देंगे, साउथ इंडियन लगवा सकते हैं, पिज़्ज़ा लगवा सकते हैं, गोलगप्पे टिक्की लगवा सकते हैं, खाने से रिलेटेड चाइनीज, इंडियन, तंदूरी, स्नैक्स, जो भी वो अपना बिजनेस करना चाहे हम उसमें फुल सपोर्ट करते हैं। पूरा पैसा कंप्लीट लगा कर देते हैं
जी।
और हम उससे फिर रेंट ले लेंगे। जैसे 3000 रुपये महीना, 6000 रुपये महीना, 12000 रुपये महीना, 25000 रुपये महीना, 50000 रुपये महीना, लाख रुपये महीना हम रेंट ले सकते हैं। और
कोई
% पे भी बिजनेस कर सकते हैं। जैसे आधी कमाई मेहनत करने वाले की और आधी कमाई हमारी,
अगले का इन्वेस्ट,
हमारी होगी।
अगले का कोई इन्वेस्ट करने का हालत ना भी रहे तो चलता है, अगर स्किल आना चाहिए। हाँ, वो आप कर देंगे।
इन्वेस्ट हम करके देंगे, जगह भी हम देंगे।
हाँ,
गुड़गांव शहर के अंदर
ऐसा मतलब कोई आप जिस तरह के प्रॉमिस कर रहे हो मदद करने के लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट के बिना, तो फेक लगता है कभी कभी। तो कभी कभी आपको मुश्किल का सामना हुआ मदद करने वक्त या कोई?
नहीं। हमारा प्रॉपर 1965 से चला हुआ बिजनेस है।
अच्छा,
पहले मेरे दादाजी चलाते थे, दादाजी और दादी।
हाँ,
उसके बाद मेरे पापा और मम्मी ने चलाया, फिर मैंने और मेरी वाइफ ने चलाया।
हाँ,
हमारे बच्चे अपनी अपनी जॉब लग गए, जैसे एक इंजीनियर है, एक एडवोकेट है
जी।
हम लोग
मैं मिल चुका
बिजनेस को चलाते हैं। तो इसलिए अब हम उसको नहीं कर पा रहे, तो हम जवान बच्चों को मालिक बनने का चांस देते हैं।
ओके, ओके,
को बिजनेस को दिल से करें।
हाँ,
नौकरी में हमें ये कहना होता है कि बेटा काम कर ले, बेटा काम कर ले, बेटा काम कर ले।
हाँ, हाँ,
लेकिन बिजनेस में वो फिर अपना दिल से काम करता है।
राइट।
इसलिए आधा प्रॉफिट वो ले सकता है और आधा प्रॉफिट हमें दे सकता है।
कोई आपसे जुड़ना चाहता है या आपसे मदद लेना चाहता है एस्टेब्लिश होने के लिए, तो आपसे संपर्क करने के लिए आप नंबर बता देंगे?
मेरा मोबाइल नंबर 9910327244।
आप रहते
मोबाइल नंबर 9910327244। 24 घंटा कभी भी वो मुझसे बात कर सकते हैं। और कभी भी नौकरी करना चाहे तो हम तनख्वाह देंगे, खाना देंगे, रहना देंगे। यदि वो अपना बिजनेस करना चाहे तो पूरा पैसा हम लगा कर देंगे, उसको चला के बिजनेस देंगे, चला हुआ बिजनेस के बाद फिर हम कमाई आधी आधी कर लेंगे।
जी बहुत अच्छा।
उसको लॉस नहीं होगा, अगर लॉस होगा तो लॉस हम खाएंगे, उसको खाने मिलेंगे लॉस।
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस।
हम प्रॉफिट में साथ आते हैं, लेकिन अगर लॉस होगा तो उस बिजनेस से लॉस हम।
हाँ, ये बिजनेस का टेरिटोरी कहाँ रहेगा? गुरुग्राम में ही?
गुरुग्राम में, ओनली गुरुग्राम।
ओके,
हमारे खुद की प्रॉपर्टी पे कराते हैं।
वाओ, ग्रेट, आई विल बी विद यू वेरी सून। ओके, शीतला माता मंदिर in Gurugram. It's a wonderful place for the weekend. People are coming here and spending their good time for offering and have some kind of meditative procedure. So there are sadhus who are sitting there and I've got very good. अच्छा मला ओके ओके। जय शनिदेव मंदिर and this is Panchamukhi Hanuman, Shivalinga and the statues. They do this tie-up of the thread for different uses. And, okay. Then also they do have कृष्ण तालाब की मिट्टी भी है। Then they have this You are going to bite me? No, don't bite, don't bite, don't bite, don't bite. Yeah, yeah. Gurugram, Delhi highway. It's about, it's saying 26 kilometer, but my app says it's like 28 kilometer. It's 2 kilometers extra doing. All right, traffic is being Saturday, bit congested, and good number of traffic going on. But still, cycling is possible on the way to. This is DLF building. DLF is the biggest infra department or real estate builder. We'll see things ahead. A few more MNCs. You see IndusInd Bank, probably headquarter. ING, DPS, Marico, IndusInd, Fund, Amazon, Midway, so many companies. And little grass, AFC companies also there. And the traffic. And I want to show you a contrast of the country. Here is a garbage. Radisson Hotel, Kilton, and the MNCs the opposite side. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 8, 16 lanes track highway. Wow, wow, wow. So it's indication 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 one side, the other side. There's no demarcation for some reason, I don't know. And I just came about 6 kilometers only. I'll have to proceed now. Weather is very hot, sunny. I'm sweating. Delhi climate is like that. I'm going to Delhi from Gurugram. Let's proceed. Sanjay ji here from Dalakwa. He is in charge of this public conveyances where I got his help for charging my mobile so that I can reach and take clips of India Gate. Thank you very much, Sanjay ji. It's my pleasure. Keep in touch. Thank you so much. कुछ बोलना है, मुझे आशीर्वाद दीजिए. 28 स्टेट करना है. हाँ, दुआ करो.
में हो बहुत बढ़िया है.
अच्छा.
आपको बहुत अच्छे लोग मिलेंगे.
थैंक यू.
हेल्प करेंगे.
जी. Fountain at Dhola Kuan, and wonderful fountain. This is in front of NHAI, National Highway Authority of India. Not just roads, building nation. And you get a little sparkle of water and the chill feeling. Nice place to have a halt for a few seconds and continue the cycling. It's me. I am not going this side, Janakpuri, Gurugram, because I have come from this side. There's another way of proceeding. I am going Dhola Kuan, followed by India Gate. So I will go India Gate this way. It will take another 1 hour, I suppose. 10 plus kilometer left. So I'll show you some traffic. They are very fast, but not that heavy right now. Being Saturday, I believe, are more expected tomorrow or later hours today. See you soon. Look there. ONGC Dhola Kuan metro station. It's many years ago I used to ride on the metros in Delhi, but there was no extension of Dhola Kuan those days. These days they have added so many other lines. Okay, India Gate is just 7 kilometer, 7.9, that's around 8 kilometer. And the traffic is increasing gradually, and I expect to reach there in an hour. See you soon. It's really difficult to cross the road in such trajectory place because there is no crossover to be shown. See the traffic and the metro line and my position. They cannot stop even a second. Oh, luckily. Yeah. Okay, I'll try. See, India Gate takes left turn. It's the indication there. Hotel Taj Palace in Delhi. And this is actually modern, sophisticated, yet green Delhi, the prime center of the VIP inhibition, transportation and exchange. Okay, this is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Road, I guess, not sure. I'll confirm it in few minutes. Okay, see how charming the road is, and the weather is fantastic now. It is getting dusk and a little darker, not that dark. Due to sunset it become a little cloudy. And green color Delhi Transport Corporation, DTC, on time among other vehicles. Vehicles are faster because it's evening time. People are heading to their homes from their workplace. Cool. Yeah. And I'm here. Oh, this is not so. Yeah. Traffic started to move towards Talkatora Road. Mother Teresa Crescent is the place, and they are taking time according to the green signal. I will take you. Yeah, it's very fast. Vehicles are moving here. I wanted to take you to the freedom fighting group of people who had been contributing to the freedom struggle of India, led by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, before that I will show you the vehicles that are passing. Yeah, I need to tell you that electrical buses in Delhi has become very, very dangerous for the cyclists. Reason? You never know when they come. They don't play horn and there's no sound. As a result, they may hit you and you have no knowledge that they are at your back. Okay. Somebody is looking at my cycle. Okay. I will just click a picture quickly. Okay. This freedom fighters monumental statues. That's a historic statue. Yes. That reminds us about the freedom struggle by every Indian. One face I can prominently guess is like Gopinath Bardalaji, Vallabhbhai Patel, led by Mahatma Gandhi. These two birds are also enjoying the VIP area of the capital city. A statue of abstract art. An abstract art. Now it's your turn to interpret what is it, how it fascinates the beholder. I thought of taking a cup of tea in the South Avenue before approaching to the gate of Indian Gate. India Gate. Get in there. Okay, there's a monkey. And this is the shop where I took food would be served after dinner, and here I took patties and tea. It's actually diplomatic area, so it's tight. This is security prevents. I got hiccup anyway. This is Rashtrapati Bhavan at the night view. Okay, it became night once I reach here. I can go with permission inside, but I don't find any point going there. The picture is enough. Now I'll be going a little inside of India Gate, which is ahead of this Rashtrapati Bhavan. You can see my cycle, and if you want to see my face, I'm not sure you'll be able to see or not because of the darkness. It's me. India Gate at night is really beautiful because of the weekend and people being crowded. The color has been restructured into tricolor of Indian national flag. White below green and saffron on the top below the gate. A lot of people surrounded. See, there are canals which are clean water both the sides. This side is right. Child is skating, and people come for spending leisure hours on the weekend, especially, and they have chip chat, picnic. But they are not supposed to keep the area unclean. Though people make hue and cry. Yeah, you'll find people relaxing too, side by side, and some leisure hobby activities are also done. Sir, sketching कितना लेते हैं? 300. Okay, कोई डिस्काउंट मिलेगा? मैं साइकिलिस्ट हूँ, मुंबई से आ रहा हूँ, ऑल इंडिया कर रहा हूँ. So I'm taking your photograph, no problem? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, will you give me? You are from which part of India? You are from? Huh? Delhi itself. Okay. I thought from northeast. I'm Assamese. Huh? Okay, yeah. Yeah, tell me your number.
767.
Okay, I'll have to type it somewhere. Okay, I'll take later and then put it there, right? I do have YouTube ID. That's
This is my Instagram ID.
Which one?
Yusuf Fund.
Okay, I'll just make it in a minute. Let me turn off. Yeah, wave your hand. Yeah, nice. You have a lot of money here, eh? India Gate from the closest perspective. I came from the other side, and there is a road in between, transecting Janpath. Janpath is the diplomat area, and this India Gate has its installment in the precinct of Janpath, which is the okay. There are cars moving on in order to make you the real preview. Yes, it's lightning, traffics, mild musical melody, and the light artistic spectrum altogether makes India Gate a splendid place to look at night on certain weekends. Outside the India Gate, you'll find a lot of Delhi street food, and the roads proceeding autos. This is Mansingh Road. So you'll have a good click, a good timing of these street foods. Some of the branded ice cream, or the localized also ice cream vendors, and the known food which are common in different part of India. I am not including them. I will just show you some of very specific, unique to in Delhi's street food, like Delhi's autos, green color, green and yellow. Delhi's most delicious and favored street food is momos. Those originated, believed to be in China and somewhere northeast India. Delhi has got delicacy to taste it over here. Here you can see what type of varieties you are serving. Vegetable and non-veg? Both. Okay. How much you charge for vegetable?
80 rupees, 100 rupees.
80 and 100. And how many pieces come in a plate? 12 pieces. Oh, fantastic. I just want to see, if you don't mind, for the sake of photograph only. Yeah, because my appetite is filled, not to eat. This is corn.
Sweet corn.
Acha, the corn is supplemented thing. Okay. Momos? I just want to... Sorry to bother you, huh? Oh, looks yummy. Thank you. Delhi's most charming temptational market and a commercial hub. It's called Connaught Place. And the railway station is a few kilometers from here. I need to find out and be there for my accommodation tonight. Yeah, these are expensive cars being parked in the market area. And at the extreme back you can see a sophisticated building. वो बिल्डिंग का नाम क्या, मैं भूल गया था. वो कौन सी बिल्डिंग है, वो जो लाइनिंग स्ट्राइप वाला है?
मार्केट है कनॉट पैलेस है.
कनॉट प्लेस, ये उसका नाम है. LIC बिल्डिंग ऐसा कुछ.
ये पूरा मार्केट है कनॉट पैलेस.
अच्छा, पालिका बाजार किधर है? बांग्ला साहिब गुरुद्वारा, Delhi. Wonderful, huge entrance. opposite of the building you'll see Delhi Police Headquarters, and that's about 1 kilometer. Now imagine the distance or the area that's covered within. It's a large one. Hedges so beautifully done. Delhi Police Headquarters. This is the entrance.
Our cycle roadmap also changes due to weather conditions and accurate GPS. This week's attraction were Bangla Sahib, Gurudwara in Delhi and MLCS in Gurugram. The cycle trip is going to be more rigorous when we enter Punjab, Madhya Pradesh next week. Please wait and watch. Thank you for your subscription, share and like. Please continue to support us. This is Signing off from Mumbai.